Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video we will create a simple interior for your book cover that we make together in last video. So let's get started with creating our interior. So we can see here in the left lines and shapes. I will use this line I want just change this color black to gray to make it clear. So to keep it as simple as possible, I'm just going to copy and paste all lines that I need. And then I will select all. So there we have it. Our line journal is complete. I'm just going to duplicate this page maybe a couple of times and then selecting the page that I want to duplicate, and as you see, so guys, that's it for this video. So thank you so much for watching my video, and see you to next video. Thank you.